Senor. What's up? Take care. What's up, Jerry? That countertop looks amazing. Looks like I picked it out.
It looks like you did it.
Yeah, that too. This is the paint that you requested.
Okay, thank you.
That's what I do.
Man, what's up with this light bulb?
Gotta change it. It's blue. I want to change all of them. Actually, we'll change these three. I like the white ones.
That one, they didn't give you the piece. They raised the cap off.
So it won't go flush?
No.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, we could put like a piece of wire or something. What the f? You see that?
I did. It's a ghost. I got it on
Good
video.
thing you got it in camera. It looks more weird, like how it was. Hey, what people say about your cabinets in the video?
They said they love the colors I picked. They said they're beautiful. They said they're beautiful. Does it match the wall?
This is what I was telling you. I was gonna use a tree here, so I match it like that. That way I paint it and it looks good.
So we just gotta get these clean or whatever. Paint it, clean it. Was it clean it? That looks good.
It looks like you did.
Exactly. Exactly. Exactamundo. I like the sink too.
Expensive too.
I didn't get
They're expensive.
what, like 200?
Maybe more.
You know what I got it for? You'd never guess.
Like 20, 30 bucks.
30.
We need this thing for here for we can do the
Oh, you need the drain.
and this is what I was telling you about.
Yeah, I remember you told me it won't fit.
You see this piece of metal right here? This one, it doesn't let sit them all the way down. So
You gotta use it for Albion then, I guess.
yeah.
Toilet work? It's dirty as hell. Oh, did it go down?
It looks like water in the floor. You see?
Oh yeah.
Because it's real shiny.
It's like granite.
Yeah.
Oh, it's too wide.
You see, doesn't let them go all the way down. And then when I pulled that one it sits on top of it.
Yeah, okay. I'll just get another one and use that one for the other
I'll
house.
get it to Home Depot before I can finish it.
Yeah. Alright, you alrighty. Yeah, I like that color. It's almost the same as the wall, but not quite.
Well, they're gonna match with the floors. It's gonna look beautiful.
Think so?
Yeah.
I have to take care of that. Yeah, you like that, you know what I'm saying, that stain, don't you? I know, you broke two of them.
Anthony,
Yo.
you brought the flat? You got the paint from Sherwin Williams?
Yeah. I got it's not flat. I thought you said
it's
primer, yeah.
En la venda, Anthony, están unos cintos de pintura que no los para la venda.
Oh, I thought that,
Sí. Okay.
I thought that was for Albion.
Yeah, well, I use it the same here, for the ceilings. I use it the same.
Okay.
So I told him to put it in the van because anyways, we got material that we gotta go to Owen and we drop it off.
I could probably get this screw out. If you got some pliers. You tried? Think so?
With some vice grips.
Like that. Or I would need two of them. But you're probably gonna mess up the grooves. I only need one. It worked?
Yeah, it came out.
Yeah, see, I gotta give you all the
Why are you so
ideas.
smart?
Man, listen, dog. Growing up in the impoverished.
Hey, he said he don't like your cabinets. He said he don't like the fire.
He ain't say that. No way in hell. That's fly, nigga. What you mean? I was like, yeah, you know. You know. You know what I'm saying? Got the marble from Lowe's. Guess how much? Half off. Cause I be bargain shopping. This was originally $10. No, it was originally $7 a piece, right? Per square. I got it for $2.20. That's what I do, Jerry. You feel me? I'm gonna teach you how to do that one day. That sink is a little lifted a little bit. I gotta find some scones, some gold.
One thing is,
some gold scones. Boop boop.
the carpet need to go in here.
Why?
Cause what you gonna do with that?
There's nothing wrong with it. You put the fireplace right there. It's a design. People know what it's for. Where your fireplace go, or you can put one in the wall.
Okay, so they go okay.
Man, dog, that ain't nothing.
Okay.
He said, put carpet in here just to cover that up.
I'll see what you can.
How do you turn the fan on?
With the remote?
Sure. I feel like a little mini breeze. Oh yeah. Oh yes.
Starts looking different now.
Yeah, it's a beautiful thing.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Alright, I'll meet you over there.
Alright.
Yep. Detroit blue tile over here, granite floors.
You gonna put Detroit lines on it?
No. They know the color. You feel me? Oh, come on in. We painted this room, I see. Got the teal, the pea green room popping off in here.
Pea green.
Well, I think it's mint green. To be correct, I think it's mint green. They didn't do it here. Gonna be carpeted in here too. Let's go upstairs. Come on. Oh, okay, so just give you money? Like 5 minutes. How's it going? There. Overall, we ready. Oh, I didn't show you the lights. Where did I? Where the lights go? Let me show you the lights. Awesome. He's gonna go over here. say you.
Hmm?
What you think? That's so
Okay.
close. Back up, nigga. And then another one over there. Voila. Beautiful. Bracket. The screws for the bracket. Alright, let's roll. Go to the next house. Show you that one.